Pretty cool, huh?
We got it on record. We can hear everything. So
yeah.
This is Eugene's.
It's my bud raft.
My bud draft. My bush draft.
Yep, bush raft.
Bush raft. Look at this shit.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm videoing it right now so people can see it at the bar. This fucking thing's amazing.
A lot of work in this bitch. I got to finish painting the deck. But other than that, it's pretty well done. Pretty well done. 291 beer cans in the walls. And about 150 beer cans in the hall.
No shit.
It's a trip. My Busch boat.
I like how you painted that.
Yeah, I used styrofoam